wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, see what I deal with. They are the missa, that's why I'm doing like that. Missa, ski. You don't know what's about that already, man. Yeah, man, the dog with Missa one pair of clothes, man, never change clothes, you know what I'm saying? Although I heard that he does change up clothes, we don't know that true that is. I go see what I go on. Yeah, we there with Missa one craving here and I sat at the side of the 1Skimask himself, man. They are 1Skimask, the one entitled Sorrow. You see me, I check it out and see what that I deal with today. Yeah, the last track that we did react from 1Skimask was which one? I think it was Ski, the dance track, or the one after. I'm not sure. You see me, so I'll check out the one today and see what 1Skimask I deal with. Yeah, man, the dog. But look like in the back with another track. It's been a minute, about a month or two now before 1Skimask have a track. You see me, see if 1Skimask I take this music thing serious and what I deal with. But we'll check out the one and see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, gang. But before we jump in, make sure you check out the description. Link to our Discord is in the description. Our Discord server is live. Dan Mafia server is live. Go over there. Join the Discord. It's free. You don't know. You ain't got to pay for it. Join Discord. It's free. And you can send me videos directly. You can message me directly. Send me videos. Do video requests. Content idea. Live previews. All that good stuff is over there. So make sure you join Discord, man. We lit over there. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. We're there with 1Skimask. The one entitled Sorrow. That's the way that I deal with. You see me and say, yeah, man, we're there. You don't know, everybody I check for see if 1Skimask are coming in and bang like we did with our Darkness. It was, you see me, so that's why I keep an eye on 1Skimask and see if I'll actually take this music thing serious. You see me and say, so let's see where that I deal with it. Let's jump right in and track. This is 1Skimask Sorrow. Let's get it.
Forgive them, Father. They don't know what they have done. Say hello to my little friend.
1Skimask. See what I talk about 1Skimask actually changing blood clean. In changing clothes. So why this got this Scarface type font. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a Scarface theme thing, and he got to say hello to my little friend. So this got a Scarface theme to it. I can't tell. Let's go.
Say hello. He's a good dude from your heart, but me love his badness. Half this face trap, you know me dirty black chip and if whoever you lit, you know him life a vanquish and if pussy for dead, you know me dog him night.
No, me like dark flow and dark start off this. You see me? You say, yeah, me a good youth, you know, but me love his badness. You see me? I say, so nobody can feel like, you know what I'm saying? Yo, come on, man. I like how that flow on this kind of crazy. You know what I mean, gang? Let's check it out. Should I take it from the top? Let's get it. Let's do it, dog, dude.
He's a good dude from your heart, but me love his badness. Half this face trap, you know me dirty black chip and if whoever you lit, you know him life a vanquish and if pussy for dead, you know me dog him night. Badness real, but I gun them brandish. Easy to catch us, so me send a bad bitch a darkness a lights out a gal.
Darkness one, but we gun them brandish easy to catch. So me send a bad bitch. You see me send a one and Taliban come near me wife.
Turn off your switch, crime lifestyle dog, you know me young and me rich. Ooh. Pick him down like sparrow. Look what you've done now, your life brings sorrow. Brand new gun, them a glad I can't borrow you with full of carbine.
You know what man say, yo. Yeah man, pick him like sparrow, your life gone down now. Look, your life cause sorrow. I ain't gonna lie. 1Skimask, your flow dog flow bad no. Dog for be that real dog flow bad man. You know what I'm saying? Dog do a good job man. Come here.
Them a shot your tip hollow. Yeah man, squeeze we no miss like a row. 2 times 3 dog your grave dick shallow. Make a wish and kiss your mother cause you not sick tomorrow cause you dead bring pain and
yeah man, squeeze we no miss like harrow. Yeah man, make a wish and kiss your mother cause you're dead by tomorrow my yo. You see me man, come for your brawling.
have some killer in a prison where they want it off. Them kill him mama and them we kill the calf. Don't trouble with no trouble, look where trouble.
Easy now my youth. The man say, yo, have some killer in a prison or hold it half. Then kill him mother already, so then we kill the calf. You see him no trouble with no trouble, you look at trouble car. Hey, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Valor, your flow, this thing will be flowing. Yo, you're bad. You're bad as a dog. It's supposed to be a comedian. I ain't expect this out of you. I ain't gonna cap.
But if you're not do the kind, then cut it talking. Cause we kind them very brawling. Dove cat smile very often. Burial that a regular thing. Total, yo, I saw the bastard. Good youth from your heart, but me love the badness. Office stay strap, you know, me dirty glass chip and if wherever you little know.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man, good to you to me, yeah, but we love you badness. I have to stay strap, you know, the dirty glass chip. Oh, I'm tear my youth. Hey, hello, you flowing, you chopping.
Life a vanquish and if a pussy feel it, you know me dog them nice. Badness read, but I gun them brandish. Easy fi catch a summer, send a bad bitch a dog. It's a lights out a girl, turn off your switch. Girl, me lifestyle dog, you know me.
The man say, yo, badness real, but they gun them brandish. You get it? Get it? Oh, yeah, see me I say, what they are weird, real clothes is a brand. It's on the fake, say it's brand-ish, you know what I'm saying? Easy, dog, man.
Young I'm a rich fool. I we do killing for fun. Anyway, me bringing me gun. Mommy protect your son. A headshot, hollow pint of a blood of run. But if you can't stand the badness, you better sit down. Me head chip, black chip with a matic. What stop it?
I can't stand the badness, you better sit down, brother. Come here.
No bulletproof can block it. Fuck you anyway, we all a knock it in a traffic. And we live in place bloody and monkey sappy. God damn it. Your mama see your body and pick up and vomit. The place has Spanish, collateral damage. For we badness a habit. And anyway me carry it. If I even a station just know say me have it.
Yo, this man's flowing. This man's flowing, dog. Wants to knock it anyway, all in a traffic. You see me blood everywhere and left it sappy. Your mama see you and start vomit. You flow go on, man. Yo. Hello? If you take this thing serious and drop more often, bro. You see me, the people will definitely. You see me, I say?
Do the crime and do the time, I make it street up. I make it street up. I make it street up.
Yes, no? 1Skimask.
I know me have to stay strapped now. I keep it dirty clock cheap. I can't.
Easy now, man. The dog a flow, you know, man. The man make some solid tune, you know. I don't care nobody if it thinks say, yo, the three dog come in and that, they make a great transition. No cap, bro. No, you just need to drop more often, bro.
Love it badness. I know me dog the night.
Man got tune better. Rough. Artists, we say them artists. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The production and everything, man. Mad, man. You see me I say, and the creativity there, man. And the lyrics there, man. You see me I say, yeah, man, Valo, keep doing your thing, me G. Buckley, 1Skimask. Yeah, man. Man say, I good youth to me, I love the blow badness. You see me, I have to stay sharp, you know, the dirty glass chip, and if a pussy violate, you know, them life have vanquish, and if a man fit dead, you know, the dog they not each. You know, man flow bad, you see me? The dog looks bad. The X they flow bad, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Valo, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to 1Skimask. Dog I do it, man. Say knock it anyway, I'll leave in the traffic. Blood up your ends and leave it sappy. Mama see you and stuff and man a chop, dog. Big man thing, gang. So let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Make sure you say you drop your emojis where you think and drop your comments. If you like you show the artist some love and support, make sure you say Jambisco and send on. You don't know. Also, make sure you check out the description. Link to the Discord, to our Discord server is live. That Mafia server is live. Make sure you check out the Discord. Join the family. You can message me directly, send me requests, all that good stuff. You get previews, all that good stuff, updates of live, all that good stuff. We're going live tonight, so make sure you look out for that as well. Yeah, man, gang, with there. You see me, vibes coming. You know, I wrote to 10K, but to take over this YouTube gang shit. You know what I'm saying? Tonight we streaming. Probably do music works, probably a little gaming if y'all want. Let me know if y'all want to see some gaming, man. Let me know if you want to, Starfield, all that good shit, man. We can vibe, chop it up, talk about music or whatever. You know what I'm saying? That good shit, man. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Here we are, hitting and smashing on. Bang. Until next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. I know. Love you guys. I'm out.